Hi you guys, welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. So today I'm going to show you how to remove that's something you should do as a maintenance for your car, like the oil change. But today we're gonna trying to clean the VVT oil line screen filter. So this is for a 2GRFE 3.5 V6 Rav4. So let's start it. Okay, let me remove this cover. Okay, so we get the cover off. So there's two screen here. There's one's right here and the other one is right here. So this is 17 millimeter bolt. So the screen is right here, so it's inside here. So it might be a little spill, so I'm gonna put some rag right here, something if I open it and the oil come out of the bill. So let me get that, and we're trying to loose that screw, the bolt, and I'll show you where the screen is. Get all the oil out. Okay, so what do you want to get that loose? 17. Okay, and then try your best to loose it up. If you don't have enough leverage, then you go ahead and use the extra helping hand, like find a tube, something to extend the wrench. So after you get it loose, slowly get it out. You will have some oil drip, so that's normal because this is the oil line. So let me show you that. Okay, so again, you can see the banjo bolt is right here. So when you take it out, there's two gaskets, one's inside, one's outside. Okay, so make sure you don't lose those. But if you can lose, you can get it from online. Okay, let me get it out. It's a little tight space over here, so take your time. It's okay. There's no space. So I have to use, because there's no space, so I have to use a different wrench. Okay, since you get everything loose, should easy to take it out. See the bolt? This is the banjo bolt. Okay, and the screener should be stuck in there. So the screener should be inside there. Inside here. Okay, let me use a pick and try to get out. Give me a second. So finally I got the screener to come out by using a pick because there's no space right here. But I was able to get it out. You need just a little patience, and then you can get the screener out. There it is. As you can see, the little screener. Oh, it's coming back. We don't want that. It's hard enough to get it out. But as you can see, here's the screener. And as you can see, my car is 80,000 miles, and the screener look perfect. It look very clean, so that's good. That's mean because I changed the oil regularly. So here it is. You can clean this with with gasoline, or you can clean this with the brake cleaner or carburetor cleaner. But my screen here look really good, so I don't have to clean it. And this is my car is 80,000 miles. So what that mean is that regular change of oil is a good thing to help the screen look new and won't clog up. So since my screen is pretty new and look pretty clean, so I'll go ahead and put it back. As you can see right here, this is how you put it back. So you got pretty much you got the screen, and then you got screen, put it in here like this, and you insert it in and just screw it back into this the bench bolt right here. So put the screen back and then screw it back in, and it's a the torque is 45 pound, no 48 pound feet of torque. That's the spec for it. Plus also that also you don't remember this two gasket, okay? So there's one outside, this one, and the one inside. So make sure you don't lose that. Sometimes when you open it, it drops, and then you lose it, and you're gonna get cause a leak, and that's not good. So I'll go ahead and put everything back in and torque it down to 48 pound, and should be done. So basically you're gonna have the same thing with this one right here. So they have another screen right here. So I will go ahead and open this one and check it out and see how the screen is. You know what, let me try to open this right now and see what happened. Okay. the same thing as the first one. This screener is clean. It's almost like it's new. As you can see. So it's good. The bolt. This is the bungee bolt. So everything looked good. As you can see, it's coming out from this one, this port. So I'll go ahead and clean this up and put the bolt back. Remember the torque is 48 pound. So that's it. So I hope you learned something today. And if you have old vehicle, mine's 80,000 and the squeak looked really good. So if you are the person, those person that didn't change oil regularly like me, it's because I change the oil every 5,000 miles instead of, you know, some people I use synthetic too. So what some people they use use synthetic and they change oil at 10,000. So for those people, you might want to check the VVT filter screen right here to make sure it's not clogged. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys find it useful, and especially so this is for the Rav4, Toyota Rav4 3.5 V6 2GRFE. So I hope you find it useful, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Okay, bye.